Hey guys, it's Dylan with Realty Growth. I'm out here at 2450 Marion Road Southeast. This property was on the market for over 20 years and it finally has a new owner and they are motivated and open and they want your uses. We have over 40,000 square feet of vacant space here. We're gonna show you around a little bit and see if you see anything you like. So up here on the second floor, we got 22,000 square feet roughly of wide open spaces with some private offices. The owner is working on demising the space and creating a floor plan that could maybe work for your business's use and give you some ideas, but I could see there potentially being 4 different spaces up here. This place gives me total like stockbroker vibes. Like that's the pen they call it or whatever. And like there's 100 people in there just nonstop on the phone. It's gonna be some of the most affordable office space in Rochester. We know stockbrokers aren't making any money, right? So here we go. Of course, you could take the whole space on the second floor with the kitchen, full bathrooms and all the office space, but we can split it down any size you'd like. So bring your ideas. Them fancy lights and the size of the office with the bathroom and the closet, like this had to be the, well, so like if this was like the trucking company, maybe this was the owner of the trucking company. I'd have a putting green and everything in here. See, they got like a closet for all their suits. Suit closet, their own bathroom. So on the main floor of this building, we have about another 22,000 square feet, some open space, private offices, a lot of infrastructure down here. We got a couple clean rooms, a ton of data all around the space, and as well as some little manufacturing warehouse space.